Hey everyone! Today in my Audi A6 C5 car I am going to replace the gas strut for the hood. This is what the hood struts looks like, and the reason I'm replacing it is that on one of the freezing days it stopped lifting the hood. Most likely the gas leaked out of it, so I have to prop up the hood with a stick like this. However, to avoid driving around with the stick, you can make a hole in the strut or the shock absorber and insert a cotter pin into it when opening the hood. But the most reliable solution, of course, will be replacing the strut with a new one, especially since it is not expensive. I got a hood strut from the Mili company. It comes in this packaging, but the most important thing is that to depress the shaft you need to apply incredible force. So I am going to replace it now and hope that it will lift the hood on its own. To replace the strut, we locate the attachment brackets with clasps. Then we take a screwdriver and pry the bracket, after which the shaft will come out of the hood's attachment. We do the same thing on the other side. You don't need to remove the bracket completely. As you can see, the old strut is completely worn out. Next, we take the new strut. Since I'm shooting everything with one hand and hold the camera with the other, I had to use the screwdriver's head to slightly lift the bracket, making it easier to snap the shaft onto the spherical stud. We do the same thing on the other side of the strut. By the way, once it snaps in place, the bracket will return to its original position. In the end, the strut is installed and we can test it. It seems like everything's working fine and the hood opens. However, I made a small mistake here by installing the hood strut upside down. All struts are classified not only by their working substance but also by the type of damping. Therefore, it's always necessary to check how the manufacturer recommends installing the part. Usually, the direction is indicated on the packaging. After replacing the strut, more than 7 years have passed. As you can see, it's still working. Notice that the strut is installed with the shaft downwards, and when it's fully extended, it slows down the hood's movement. That's all from me for now. See you in the next videos. Bye!